Hi, my name is Eric Matsubara. I am the Technical Support Manager for GF Piping Systems. Wiring and configuration of your RPC Electro Pneumatic Positioner. This is part 2 of a 2-part series. In the previous series we did the connections, the metal brackets, and the alignment, and today we'll go over the wiring and configuration. Tools I'm working with today, those will be a small screwdriver. I'm using 2 multimeters, one for input and one for the feedback. So let's get started. Go ahead and take the cover off. We'll just take these screws out, and while we're looking at the top, you have your status LED, your communication LED, and the visual indicator on top to give you valve position. Once inside, we'll see 2 buttons. Inside we'll have button 1, which is used for X-tune, button 2, which is used in conjunction with 1 for resetting and restarting your positioner. We have our set of micro switches. So switch number 1 will invert your 4 to 20. Switch 2 activates a tight seal mode. Switch 3 is for custom configuration that's used with the software and the micro USB port right here. And switch number 4 toggles you from manual to auto mode. So for the X-tune today, we'll make sure that we're set on switch number 4. And let's get started with the wiring. For our connection, we're going to use the GF cable. This is a 90-degree M12 8-pin cable. It is GF part number 199190649. We're going to go ahead and install that like this. And the colored leads. So yellow and green for my supply voltage. Yellow is plus 24 volts. Green is my 0 volts. Okay. Signal is going to be white and brown. White is my signal and brown is the ground. And for feedback will be orange and blue. Orange is going to be my plus voltage or my signal out, and blue will be the ground. Okay, with all this connected, let's go ahead and bring up the power. Okay, I have our pneumatic line. Okay. So right now I'm showing a green light, just indicating that we are in the full closed position. I'm going to go ahead and reset this for our instruction. So press and hold button 1 and button 2 at the same time for 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7. Once we're there, the green light will flash and let go, and it'll go into its reset mode. Once reset, we'll go ahead and run our X-tune. So that is pressing and holding the button number 1 for 5 seconds. The green light will also flash on here. And now it'll run through its X-tune. Okay. After X-tune, the valve will leave itself in the position it has signal for. So right now I am at 4 milliamps and I am full closed. So right now, I'll go ahead and test this. Let's bump it up to about 10 milliamps. As you can see, the visual indicator shows we're about halfway. 15 milliamps and maybe 20 milliamps, and we're at full open. And the yellow LED indicates that we're in the open position, and when it's green, it means we're in the full closed position. That is it.